In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to build an outpost in Starfield. So let's get started. So the outpost system in Starfield allows you to create a base camp wherever you desire on almost every planet. So now you might be wondering on how you can build it. So here's how you can do that. So the first step of building any Starfield outpost is figuring out where you're gonna build it. So you can either go online and search for the best locations, so where you can get started, or you can find your own perfect spot for an outpost by finding a planet first of all, and then doing a planetary scan before landing, so you can ensure your landing spot contains the primary resources you want. Well, this is very important because these are the resources which you're gonna sell to make up money, so you can go and do other stuff like upgrade your spaceship and other customizations according to your needs. Well, so once you have found out the location of the planet you want to build your outpost, so the first step is done. The second step is to equip your scanner and search for areas that contain the resources you're looking for. So that's the second step. The third step is place a beacon in your chosen location, and then you're gonna build an extractor on a nearby mineral and build a power source nearby. So then it's automatically gonna collect everything on all the minerals, and then if you want you can sell them or you can use them in different ways. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.